Have you ever felt like Excel tasks take way too much time? The truth is most people do things manually that Excel can do in seconds. In this video, I will show you 3 simple tricks that can save you hours of work. And these are the same kind of tasks freelancers get paid for. Welcome to Earnova. Learn skills that make money online. Let's start with the first trick. Most people type everything manually in Excel, but Excel is actually smart enough to recognize patterns. Let me show you. We have sales data of about 200 customers and we need to enter their full names here. If we type all these manually, it will take a lot of time, but Flash Fill can do it in seconds. Go to the first cell, type John Doe. In the next cell, type Jane, and you can see Excel suggested the full name automatically. Just press enter. Or you can select the next cell and press Ctrl plus E and it's done. This feature is called Flash Fill. Instead of typing everything manually, Excel fills the rest for you in seconds. This is extremely useful when working with names, emails, formatting data. And it can save you a lot of time. The second trick is something freelancers use all the time: removing duplicates. In this sales data, we have a lot of duplicate entries. To immediately remove these duplicates, go to Data tab, remove duplicates, OK. And just like that, Excel removes all duplicate entries. In real world projects, datasets can have hundreds or thousands of duplicate rows. Cleaning this data is very common freelance task. So even a simple feature like this can be very valuable. The third trick is about automating calculations. Instead of adding numbers manually, Excel can calculate totals instantly. In this sheet, we have departments and sales column. To calculate total sales for each department, use this simple formula. This formula adds the sales for sale department automatically. Similarly, this formula adds all the sales for marketing department automatically. So instead of manually finding and adding numbers, Excel does it for you. This is extremely useful when working with sales reports, financial data, business analysis. And it's one of the most commonly used functions in Excel. These tricks may look simple, but they can save you a lot of time and are used in real world work. If you want to learn more practical digital skills like Excel, freelancing, and data analysis, make sure to subscribe to Earnova. And in the next video, I will show you even more Excel tricks that can make your work faster and easier.